Oh no. Take a look at this old wooden bridge. It sits quietly over the gentle stream, nestled beneath tall trees and bright green leaves. Once, this bridge was strong and sturdy, carrying hikers with backpacks and bikers in colorful helmets safely across the water. But over time, rain, wind, and footsteps have made it weak and wobbly. Now, some of the wooden planks are missing, and others bend under weight. It's too dangerous for anyone to cross. But don't worry. Today, we get to see how a team of workers and some very big, very helpful machines will fix this bridge and make it safe and strong again. Let's start by meeting the machines and people who will help bring the bridge back to life. First up is the mighty crane. With its tall tower and long, stretching arm, the crane is truly a superstar of the construction site. Its powerful engine hums as it moves into place, ready to do some heavy lifting. The crane's job is to pick up giant, heavy wooden beams, much too big for any one person to carry, and lift them high into the sky. Slowly, carefully, the crane driver moves the arm, swinging the beam over the stream. Everyone watches in awe as the crane gently lowers the beam right where it needs to go. Without the crane, lifting and placing these beams would be almost impossible. Next, here comes the cement mixer. This big truck rumbles onto the scene, its barrel spinning round and round. Inside, thick, gray cement is being mixed and churned, always moving so it stays soft and ready to pour. The cement mixer is here to make a strong foundation for the new bridge. When the time comes, the workers will guide the chute and pour the fresh cement into a wooden frame. The cement will flow into every corner, filling up the space and slowly hardening into a rock-solid base. A good foundation is what keeps the bridge steady and safe, no matter how many feet or bike tires cross over it. And of course, we can't forget the hard-working crew. Dressed in bright orange vests and sturdy helmets, the workers are the heart of the project. With hammers, wrenches, and tool belts, they guide the machines, measure every piece, and make sure everything fits just right. Some workers direct the crane, signaling with their hands so the driver knows where to place the beams. Others hammer in long, strong nails to secure the wood, making sure nothing moves or wiggles. Still others smooth out the cement, checking and double-checking that the foundation is level and firm. Every worker has an important role, and together they're a team that can fix anything. Now, it's time for the real action to begin. Watch as the crane carefully picks up the first new beam, lifting it slowly and steadily over the stream. The workers below keep their eyes on the prize, ready to guide the beam into place. A little to the left, now down, down, perfect, they call out. With a gentle touch, the beam settles onto the supports. Immediately, workers grab their hammers and start pounding in nails, making sure the beam is locked in tight. Lift it up, hammer it down. Piece by piece, the bridge starts to grow. Next, the cement mixer rolls into position. Workers set up a wooden frame, called a form, underneath where the bridge will stand. The driver of the cement mixer lines up the chute, and with a twist of a lever, thick, wet cement pours out, flowing into every corner of the form. The workers use big, flat tools to spread and smooth the cement, making sure it fills up every space. Pour the cement, they call out. Soon, the cement will harden into a strong, sturdy base that will hold up the bridge for years to come. As the day goes on, the team works together like a well-oiled machine. The crane lifts, the workers hammer, and the cement mixer pours. Everyone checks and double-checks their work, making sure each part is perfect and safe. Slowly but surely, the new bridge begins to take shape. Bright new beams stretch from one side of the stream to the other, fastened tightly together. The foundation grows stronger as the cement dries. Workers move back and forth, measuring, checking, and smiling as they see their hard work paying off. Finally, after hours of teamwork, the last beam is locked in, the cement is firm, and the bridge is ready to shine. The workers take a step back and look at what they've built. The old broken bridge is gone. In its place stands a beautiful, brand new wooden bridge. It's strong, sturdy, and safe, ready for hikers with backpacks, bikers with bells, and even families with strollers to cross the sparkling stream below. The park is safe again, all thanks to the mighty crane, the spinning cement mixer, and the hard-working crew. The bridge stands tall and proud, ready for new adventures. Which part did you like best? Was it the crane lifting and swinging those heavy beams high into the air? Or maybe the cement mixer, spinning and pouring to make a solid foundation? Or did you like watching the workers, hammering, building, and making sure everything was just right? No matter which part you enjoyed most, one thing is clear. When people and machines work together, they can fix almost anything. Next time you see a bridge, a building, or a big truck at work, remember all the teamwork and effort that goes into making things safe and strong for everyone. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more big truck and construction stories. There's always something exciting happening on the job site, and we can't wait to share it with you.